For billions of years, humanity has gazed upon the sun, this seemingly constant, serene golden orb in our sky. It rises, it sets, day in, day out, a reliable beacon of warmth and light. But what if I told you that this perception of stillness, this cosmic tranquility, is one of the greatest deceptions in our universe? The truth is far more violent, far more dynamic, and infinitely more profound. Our sun is not merely a warm lamp, it's a colossal, churning powerhouse, a star so immense that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Its surface, far from peaceful, is a roiling ocean of superheated gas, constantly erupting with energies that dwarf anything we could ever comprehend on our home planet. This is the true face of our sun, a cosmic furnace, violently alive, and utterly magnificent. Why does this cosmic drama matter to us, billions of miles away? Because every single breath you take, every bite of food you eat, every rustle of leaves in a forest, owes its existence to that distant star. The sun's energy is the fundamental engine driving photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into the very fuel of life. But the sun's influence extends far beyond mere light and heat. It's the gravitational anchor, holding every planet, asteroid, and comet in a delicate, celestial dance. Without the sun's immense gravity, making up 99.8% of our solar system's mass, our planets would simply float off into the cold, dark abyss of interstellar space. It is literally the glue that binds our cosmic home. So, how does this incredible star generate such power? Deep within its heart, in a region called the core, lies the secret. Here, temperatures reach an astounding 15 million degrees Celsius, and pressure is 100 billion times that of Earth's atmosphere. Under these extreme conditions, hydrogen atoms are stripped down to their bare nuclei, protons, and are forced to fuse together in a process called nuclear fusion. This isn't just a simple chemical reaction, it's nature's ultimate alchemy. 4 hydrogen nuclei combine to form a single helium nucleus. Crucially, the resulting helium nucleus is slightly less massive than the 4 hydrogen nuclei that went into it. That lost mass isn't truly gone, it's converted directly into immense energy, exactly as Einstein's famous equation, E=mc², predicts. This energy doesn't just burst out instantly. It begins a millions-year-long journey from the core. In the radiative zone, photons are repeatedly absorbed and re-emitted, bouncing around like a ball in a cosmic pinball machine. Then, in the convective zone, vast currents of superheated plasma physically carry the energy closer to the surface, like water boiling in a giant pot. Finally, this energy reaches the sun's atmosphere. The photosphere is the visible surface we see, where light finally escapes into space, appearing a relatively cool 5,500 degrees Celsius. Above it is the thinner chromosphere, and then the enigmatic corona, the sun's ethereal outer atmosphere that extends millions of kilometers into space. Mysteriously, the corona can be millions of degrees hotter than the photosphere, a puzzle scientists are still actively working to solve. Our sun has been a stable, life-giving star for about 4.6 billion years, and it will remain in this main sequence phase for another 4.5 to 5.5 billion years. But nothing lasts forever. As it slowly burns through its hydrogen fuel, the sun will gradually grow hotter, making Earth uninhabitable in about 1 billion years as our oceans boil and oxygen depletes. Then, in roughly 5 billion years, our sun will undergo a dramatic transformation, expanding into a colossal red giant, potentially engulfing the inner planets, including our own. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, creating a stunning planetary nebula that will enrich the cosmos with new elements. What remains will be a tiny, incredibly dense white dwarf, the cooling cinder of a once magnificent star. The sun's life cycle reminds us of the universe's grand, ceaseless evolution. We are but a fleeting moment under the gaze of a star that is, itself, on an epic journey, a journey that birthed us and will one day reshape our cosmic neighborhood entirely.